A search for survivors. This house was destroyed in an airstrike. After hours of searching, rescuers retrieved bodies from under the rubble. Government troops backed by Russian fighter jets have stepped up attacks south of Idlib to force rebel forces from Ma'arat Nu'man, Sheikh Mustafa, Naqiya and all areas north of Khan Sheikhoun. This is what has become of the only hospital in Shinan village. An airstrike has damaged the building. Many patients are injured. It's now closed and patients have been evacuated to other hospitals.
The hospital used to provide services to 15 villages in the area. 2 airstrikes damaged most of the building. We are now unable to look after patients anymore.
North of Idlib, Syrian government troops targeted volunteer rescuers known as the White Helmets in the town of Anadan. As the attacks intensified, the building was evacuated.
Our building was targeted more than 60 times over the last 2 days, mostly mortar and artillery shells. The attacks damaged our vehicles and the facility is out of service.
The escalation in Idlib is in breach of the de-escalation deal Russia and Turkey signed in 2018 that created a demilitarized zone that's meant to be free of rebel forces. More than 3 million people live in the province of Idlib, which is under the control of the opposition group Hayat Tahrir al-Sham. And despite the de-escalation zone, Russia and Syrian government insist recapturing the province is just a matter of time.